Hi everyone, in this video I would like to share how you can change the language of the Google Assistant on your Android smartphone. So, in part of starting, let me state that we highly recommend that you update your system to the latest version of Android. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, you gotta call up for the Google Assistant. In my case, all I gotta do is hold the power button for half a second. Here, go for this icon that is located at the bottom left corner of your display. Go for the top right icon, top right corner, and tap on this profile avatar of yours. And here you can either just manually find the setting or type in language. Choose the languages setting, and here you have an opportunity to change the language on which the Google Assistant speak. In order to change the language, just either tap on either of these options, and I'll just choose French language, and let me call up for it in order to make sure that the change has been successful. What is the weather like today? As you can see, the language of your Google Assistant has been successfully switched to French. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.